If you feed an AI coding assistant a massive repository and hit enter, you hit a wall of computational waiting. Watching a generic status spinner cycle through words like discombobulating or baking is pure cognitive downtime. You are stuck in an idle state where value simply evaporates. We are going to build a pipeline to capture those specific seconds of workflow friction. Using a specialized extension called Kickbacks, you will accrue earnings directly in your local development environment. It functions as an ad exchange marketplace engineered directly into your terminal's rendering pipeline. Advertisers bid to replace that static loading text with micro-targeted sponsored lines, and because you host the computation, the platform credits you a strict 50% revenue share. To deploy this system, you need 3 elements: a standard Visual Studio Code environment, an active AI coding assistant, and a valid Google account for back-end ledger authentication. The moments your eyes are locked on the screen waiting for an AI completion hold real, capturable economic value. Open your VS Code Extensions tab, search for the Kickbacks package, and click Install. The unpacking process requires no reboot, and you will immediately see a newly generated item in your UI status bar reading Kickbacks Sign In. Before we authenticate, we need to address the immediate security risk of allowing a third-party extension to intercept your terminal behavior. The extension operates under a zero-knowledge privacy policy. It acts solely as a passive observer of UI state changes. It never reads your source code. It never inspects your prompts, and it remains blind to the completions returned by the AI model. Prior to patching your rendering pipeline, it executes a fail-safe protocol. The system generates a byte-exact backup of your configuration files in a segregated node. If patching fails, this backup provides a reversible process, routing backwards from the modified data into the original state. This ensures your environment's integrity is preserved through a verifiable path back to its original, unpatched configuration. Click that Kickback sign-in prompt in the status bar to trigger a secure redirect to your default web browser. Select your Google account to verify your identity. Once verified, the Kickback server issues a time-stamped token grant, allowing the browser to pass this authentication payload back into your VS Code environment. Behind the scenes, the system drops that specific token directly into your host operating system's native credential manager, like the macOS keychain. Because the credential sits securely at the OS level, you will accrue earnings across multiple system reboots without the friction of repeated logins. Your local telemetry engine is now securely and permanently tethered to your backend payment ledger. Let's test the active monitoring state. Initialize a new terminal session to flush the environment cache, then fire off a heavy architectural prompt to your AI assistant to force a prolonged processing state. Look at the visual transformation. Instead of the stock status spinner, the processing text is replaced by a highly constrained, text-based hyperlink advertisement. If you use heavily customized terminal displays like Headso, the rendering pipeline automatically detects them. It places the ad line cleanly above your configuration, so your essential Git telemetry is never blocked. The remote server then runs a mathematical validation sequence to confirm that the generated impression remained physically visible on your screen. Look back down at your VS Code status bar. The moment that validation completes, your physical ledger balance updates in real time. The abstract concept of monetizing micro-attention is now a functioning, locally hosted yield generator operating directly within your IDE. As you accrue impressions, you will notice a red pill icon append itself next to your active ledger balance. This icon contains a countdown timer. It signals that you have reached your rolling hourly or daily impression quota. This chart explains these limits. The bottom tier graphs rejected botnets, defined by perfectly timed requests. The top tier shows valid human workflow, with erratic spikes and varied rest cycles. To ensure marketplace integrity, the system pauses earnings when detecting non-organic patterns. If an AI version update breaks terminal compatibility, you can immediately recover. Open the command palette and access the Kickbacks menu. Selecting the Restore directive will instantly command the engine to overwrite the patched files with your byte-exact backups, returning your setup to a pristine state. Despite the complex network telemetry tracking your behavior, you retain the mechanism to restore your terminal's original state at any time. If your terminal is rendering sponsored links and your local status bar is tracking impressions, your setup is actively capturing yield. Currently, all validated views are cryptographically credited and secured on the Kickbacks backend ledger. The development roadmap includes an upcoming native Stripe integration designed to facilitate direct bank deposits for your accrued balance. For deep dive technical documentation on local patching logic, or to monitor the live order book pricing dynamics, check the links in the video description. Through this brief installation, your standard developer terminal has been elevated into an active, wealth-generating node in the human attention marketplace.